Okay, so we got a Honda Harmony II HRR216. This is a self-propelled Honda. It had a 3-speed transmission. It's my neighbor's. They've been going up and down hills, and then the transmission stopped working on them. So looking at some other YouTube videos, I ended up taking off the transmission, hoping I could repair it. In order to take it off, there's a couple baffles underneath the mower here that makes it easier to get it out. Of course, you got to take both wheels off. You're going to need snap ring pliers, and then there's just 2 baffles there. There's 10mm screws. Just take them all off. A couple you have to get to through here, and once you do that, take the wheels off and the baffles, you can slide the transmission. Here it is, one direction or the other, and get it out. So what I discovered upon popping the case here is that this is the worm drive that is driven by the belt off of the blade, but the pairing to this screw here is where I got a problem. If you notice, this particular gear is all chewed up. You can even see all the metal filings from all that wear. And then once it starts slipping, it just really gets worse. So the problem is this transmission. It's a 3-speed. It's about 150 bucks online, and it's more expensive if you go straight to Honda. And I really just want to replace this one gear, and I don't know how to do that. So I even tried to find other transmissions that fit this particular mower, just like a 1-speed or something like that. Nothing seemed to pan out. By the way, these are the left and right drives for the wheels. You can see these are also kind of worn out. These are a little cheaper. You can get them, or I think I can just take the left and put on the right, and vice versa, and that'll work too. But anyway, I put a bolt through them just so I can keep track of the order everything went on as far as the bushings and the snap rings and everything. But if anybody has any suggestions on where to source this particular one, I would really appreciate it. All right, thanks.